gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread the
Alright guys, I'm trying to make a quick video. Sorry, all my devices are dead and I'm trying to get rid of this like ASAP because I have a lot of stuff piled up in my garage, and now that I'm off I need to like get it going real quick, man. So today, after installing that, which is a video, you go look for it on my channel, whatever. Don't mind the dirtiness, it's just dirty. I do have to detail this damn car, but for now, is to address this. I do have a quick release steering wheel that I've been having sitting down for a long time already. So obviously before you do this, disconnect the battery. Not like it matters. It's best if you have a resistors to put on. I think it's 3.9 ohms for the airbag, so the airbag light stays off. I don't have them yet. They're gonna be here Wednesday, but I don't want to be doing this on Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the install, and then later on I'll do the resistor. I'll put the resistor clips in there and then, you know, reset the light and get it over with. But for now, I just want to get this crap off. So if you notice, there's two little indents right here. One, then there should be another one here. Two. My understanding is you take one of these and you pierce it, and it should release it. So okay, let me get this because I can't do this with one hand, so I'll come back once. All right, I'm back, so you guys can get an idea. Once you put a screwdriver here, don't put something that's too big, obviously, but you see how this pin moves. They'll pop one side, and then there's another one on this side, obviously through that hole. So then that you disconnect it from here, which I'll get right now. So once it's off, try to use a flathead to pop these off. They're kind of in there really hard, so it will need to budge a little here and there. But that goes off. That I believe is either 17 or 19. There's a couple things I'm not gonna reuse. So I know that if you want to keep the, I believe the turn signal cancel, you're supposed to keep the white snap ring that's right here, which is somewhere here, but I'm not gonna do that right now, to be honest. So I need to find out how the horn works exactly. I believe one of those is the horn. Not too sure, but I believe there's a plug, there's a harness that you can hook up to. So I'm probably gonna rip some cables, put some butt connectors, and run the wire to the NRG quick release. But for now, the point is to get rid of this. So this right here may be the that may be the horn, actually. I believe there's only two wires that go to the horn, and I think they're these two right here. Which there's a ground here, and then there's I just don't know what reacts to the horn. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But anyways, After that, you should be able to take this off with, like I said, 17 or 19. Make sure your steering wheel is locked before you do this. Your wheels are straight, because the last thing you want to do is put the energy hub quick release crooked. So do make sure, like I said, it's locked up, your wheels are straight, and then good luck taking that off. Which I'm showing you right now, it should be a 17, 19. I'll tell you which one it is. Hold on, give me 1 second. Now that I look more into this, you don't need that white thing to keep your crap. What was I gonna say? Your turn signal thing. This thing does have a thing that I'm guessing eliminates it once it turns, which is right here. So I think that hits it and cancels it. I'm more than sure. But I could be wrong. The hell do I know? But one little itty boo boo gaga is that it seems like this thing's not gonna be able to hold it there. It seems I need like 2 washers or something that are to make it thicker, which this is a problem right now. Because by the looks of it, yeah, that's gonna be a problem. You need 2 washers, which sucks. I need to find 2 washers that can fit this hub, and that's a problem because I'm already halfway there. Let me see what size washers I can find, and I'll come back and hopefully fucking install this shit. Give me 1 second. All right, so I'm back. I did run into a snag. I did have to pick up 4 washers, which are, I believe, 1 3/8 and 7/8 or something like that. I don't know the thickness. I mean, you gotta have to play around, but they're, I don't know what the fuck I do with my caliper. Well, anyways, I got 4 of these. Some people say to use 3, but it doesn't look like 3 is enough. As you can see, this is still protruding. Like I said, I'm not using that white stuff back there, so that might have something to do with it. So in my case, I do need to use 4 of these. And now we should be able to tighten it. Like I said, I'm not gonna do the horn or any of that right now because, 1, I'm lazy. And I'm pretty sure that if I can attach this wires from here, bring them up to here and use that ring that you can use here to ground it, it should work, but I'll figure that out after. I don't feel like doing that. I already had to take a trip to the hardware store and it's just crap, so sorry. So after that, just tighten it down, install the rest of it. So I'll get to install it right now. Let me tighten this down and I'll show you what happens. Once you tighten it, like I said, try to get it as centered as possible. This looks like it might be a little off. So I'm trying to see if this is straight or if I should put it the other way. Unfortunately, there's I'm not gonna do the horn right now. We'll do it later on, but that's not my concern right now. I have to finish this because this car is my daily at the moment. So we'll come back and do the horn and everything else. Not like I need a horn anyways, right? But anyways, like I said, let me double lose these like I'm doing. Because the only place I can align is the other part, so let me take it off and try. Alright, well, you can play as much as you want with the position. Like I said, it's personal preference. I think that's straight to me. It's either gonna be like that, or you're gonna have to finish all these 6 screws, obviously. This is the other half of the quick release. I do gotta go get my steering wheel, but like I said, according to me, this is as straight as can be, sort of. The only other way this thing can stay is if it's a little more to this way. So it's either gonna be like this, or it's gonna be slightly like this. So I don't know. Like I said, it's all preference. Leave it to where you want it. I'll maybe make an update video how to do the SRS and the horn. I gotta look at the schematics to see what wires are the horns. I can pinch through them and then run a wire to this. That's really what it takes. The only thing that sucks is you do need to run a big enough wire. Because unfortunately, every time you spin the wheel, if the wire's too short, you're gonna pinch the wire, which is a function of this thing. This allows it freely to move around with the steering wheel, see, without pinching anything. So theoretically, this is how it's supposed to be, but in my case, it's not. So that sucks. So yeah, like I said, there are people that reuse this. You could. I just don't like it because you technically literally have to break all of this off, chop all this off, and then attach 2 little pins to these 2 pins right here, I believe, which are the ones from the wheel that go from this little harness right here. So, unless I can find a way to connect this differently, but this is practically the same, you know. In the end, whatever. Like I said, I'll do an update on how to do the wiring for that. Right now, I just need to finish this because I need to drive my car tomorrow. So let me tighten all this up, get this, put my steering wheel on this, and go from there.